A very good morning everyone. I hope you listened the previous class videos and you have some clarity about the bisection method, right? So now here I am going to discuss few more applications related to the bisection method. And in the previous class we discussed one application which is nothing but x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Now here write down one question, f of x equal to, write down one question, f of x equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 7 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Correct to 3 decimals. So actually what they are saying, correct to 3 decimals they are saying. So we have to take the, after the point we have to take 3 decimals, okay. So now this is the function and here they didn't mention anything like intervals. So that's why here generally how we will calculate, we'll put that some x equal to minus 1 and 1 minus 2 like that, na? So then what we get, minus 1 plus 1 plus, sorry, minus 1 plus 1 plus into minus and plus 7. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So it is not a root. Now I am taking that x equal to minus 2. Then what we get, minus 8 plus 4 minus 2 plus 7. Now here minus 8 minus 2 minus 10. Next plus 11. So like this we will calculate. Now here what we have to do is simply, now that is nothing but in a general way, that means in a previous concept we use that one. But here what do we have to do? We have to substitute the values like that one only. That means simply we have to substitute like x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So generally I don't know where we will get the 0, right? So that's why here I am taking that. I am checking the question once again, x cube plus x square plus x plus 7 equal to 0. Okay. Now here simply I am taking the procedure one directly. So now here f of minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 7. So now it is nothing but 6 which is not equal to 0. Now f of minus 2, that means minus 8 plus 4 minus 2 plus 7. So now here what I have that 8 minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 plus 11 which is nothing but 1. Here I have the positive. Of course it is also positive. And here positive again. Here actually in a normal method we have to get that it is equal to 0. Then we will take that value as nothing but some root, right? And here you will get the doubt, now why you are taking only negative? Because if you observe all the functional value, if you observe the given function, in that we have each and every value as a positive only. We don't have any negative, right? Negative term. And mainly the last term is positive. That's why here you will get the roots as negative. Okay, so now here I am taking that f of minus 3. Then what I get, minus 27 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. Now minus 27, 10 plus 9, 90. Now here what I get, minus 27 plus 19. That means 27, 8 minus 8 which is less than 0. Now here therefore for minus 3 f of x is negative and for minus 2 f of x is positive. For this one also we have a positive, but which one we have to take? This one. Okay, so now here we have that one positive and one. Therefore what we can say, therefore the root lies between minus 3. First of all I am taking negative side, the next positive. Okay, so now this is nothing but the value. Now here what I have to do? I have to take that x naught. X naught means minus 3 plus minus 2 by 2. That is minus 5 by 2 minus 2.5. Therefore x naught equal to minus 2.5. Next here what we have to do? We have to, actually it is nothing but from here it is iteration 1. Next what we have to do? We have to take that f of x naught. F of x naught means minus 2.5 whole cube plus minus 2.5 whole square plus minus 2.5 plus 7. Okay, so now here just take the help of the calci. Now already we know that minus 1 whole cube is minus, so minus. Next 2.5. Okay, next a whole cube means shift x square, then we will get whole cube which is equal to 15.625. Next plus, because minus 1 whole square is 1. Now 2.5 whole square, 6.25 minus 2.5 plus 7. Now orally I am going to do this one. Minus 15.625 plus 6.25 minus 2.5 plus 7. That is, the answer is minus 4.875. This is the value. Okay, and here we have that f of x naught is this one. It is nothing but negative. So negative means what we have to do? We have to ignore this previous one. Therefore, the root lies between. We have to ignore this minus 3 and next the new interval is minus 2.5 comma minus 2. So now here this is nothing but the iteration 1. And next I am going for a iteration. Here we have to calculate x1 which is nothing but minus 2.5 minus 2 by 2. Already I said that the sum of these two, and here which is equal to minus 2.5 plus minus 2, that is nothing but minus 4.5 by 2 divided by 2. It is nothing but minus 2.25. Okay, so next here we have the value of the x. Next iteration number 2. Now f of x1 equal to minus 2.25 whole cube plus minus 2.25 whole square plus minus 2.25 plus 7. Now here minus 2. Already here I have the 2.25. Now I am taking whole cube, shift whole cube. So it is nothing but 11.3906. Actually in the question they mentioned that correct to 3 decimals. 3 decimals are not covered. If you observe this one, here I have that the value is 11.3906. So 3 decimals now, so that's why here I am taking 391. Okay. Next 2.25 whole square. Now it is plus 5.062. Okay, 5 I have, so I am taking it as nothing but something. And next here minus 2.25 plus 7. Now we have to take that minus 11.391 plus 5.063 minus 2.25 plus 7. So finally we have that the answer is minus 1.578. Again it is less than 0. So less than 0 means simply what we have to do, therefore the root lies between. Okay, where the root lies it is negative again, so we have to ignore this value. Minus 2.25 comma minus 2. Okay, now here what we have to calculate x2. x2 is minus 2.25 plus this one minus 2 by 2. Then 2.25 plus 2. 4.25 by 2. So then what we get, ma? 4.25 2.125. Again next iteration number 3. So in iteration number 3 what we have to do, f of x2. Okay, so now we have to substitute that minus 2.125 whole cube plus minus 2.125 whole square plus minus 2.125 plus 7. Okay, simply I substituted this value in a given function. So then what I will get again, whole cube, that is minus 9.5957 I have. So 596 I am taking. Okay, next plus 2.125 whole square. It is 4.5156 I have. So I am taking that 6. Okay, next minus 2.125 plus 7. Now we have to take over only minus 9.596 plus 4.516 minus 2.125 plus 7. So finally we have that the answer is minus 0.205. Again it is a negative. So when it is a negative means what we have to do? Again we have to say that therefore the root lies between minus 2.125 comma minus 2. So this is nothing but the value. Now here like this we have to calculate. Actually every time you can observe that here I have that x0 is 2.5 and x1 is minus 2.25. Here I have 5 after the point, but here what I have? After the point I have that simply here 2.5, which is not similar. That's why we have to go for the next iteration. So that's why here I calculated this one. Again here I have minus 2.25 I have, and here I have 125. Again we have to go for the next iteration. So that's why here I am doing this one. Now here we have to calculate x3 equal to minus 2.125 minus 2 by 2. So then what we get here? Minus 2.125 2. So it is minus 2.06 up to 3 decimals now. That's why here 2.0625. If you want you can, after that for the final iteration you can give, but here for this one I am going to take only 3 decimals. So that means here simply I will take it as minus 2.063. If you observe x2 it is minus 2.125, and again here I have that minus 2.063, so which is not a similar. So that's why again we have to go for the next iteration. So for the next iteration again we have to take the help of the x3 value, and we have to substitute x3 in a function value. So now here we have that minus 2.063. No? So here f of x3. So now here f of, okay, next iteration number 4. Iteration number 4. In this what we have to take? x3 value. That means f of x3 equal to minus 2.063 whole cube plus minus 2.063 whole square minus 2.063 plus 7. Okay, just I am taking this one because here every time I have to substitute the values now. That's why. Okay, so now here 2.063 whole cube. What do you got, ma'am? It is minus 8.78006 you have. Right, so that's why here I am taking that 0 only, minus into minus plus, and 2.063 whole square is nothing but 4.2559 I have. So up to 3 decimals means 256. Now here I am taking that minus 8.780 plus 4.256 minus 2.063 plus 7. So it is 0.413. So observe, this is nothing but positive. Once again I am taking minus 8.780 plus 4.256 minus 2.063 plus 7. 0.413, which is greater than 0. Therefore what we can say, therefore the root lies between, here what we have, this is a negative one and this is a positive one. So now here we have to ignore the positive, minus 2.125 comma minus 2. In the place of minus 2, what we have to take now? Minus 2.063. Now x4 equal to minus 2.125 minus 2.063 by 2. Now what is the sum? Minus 4.188 by 2. So that is 2.094. See, 0 is same, okay, and here what I have 6.3 and here what I have 9.4. So that's why here again I have to go for the next iteration number 5. Now f of x4 equal to minus 2.094 whole cube plus minus 2 whole square minus 2.094 plus 7. Now first one, whole cube, first of all it is 9.18 I have, so I am taking 2 minus and the next plus 2.094, calculate whole square, it is 4.385. 3848 we have, up to 3 decimals I am taking this, so that's why 385 minus 2.094 plus 7. Now we have to add all this, minus 9.182 first plus 4.385 minus 2.094 plus 7. It is nothing but 0.109, which is greater than 0. So now here what we can say, therefore the root lies between, here it is negative and it is positive now. So that's why here first of all negative means minus 2.125 and for the positive here what I have to take, minus 2.094. Okay. Next here what we have to calculate, x5. x5 is minus 2.125 minus 2.094 by 2. Now just add it and divide with 2. 2.125, 2.094. It is minus 2.1095. So I am taking 9. So now here we have to observe x4 and x5. What is x4? Minus 2.094 and here I have that minus 2.109. Again it is changed. So that's why again we have to go for the next iteration number 6. So in this one again what you have to calculate, f of x5, that means minus 2.109 whole cube plus whole square minus 2.109 plus 7. Okay. Now whole cube, 2.109 whole cube is minus 9.381. 3805 I have, so 381 I am taking, plus 2.109 whole square, that is 4.4478 I have, I am taking 8 minus 2.109 plus 7. Now totally minus 9.381 plus 4.448 minus 2.109 plus 7. Now again we have that negative value minus 0.042 which is less than 0. Therefore what we have to say, therefore the root lies between. Now this is negative, now we have to ignore this one, that means minus 2.109 comma minus 2.094. Now we have to calculate x6 minus 2.094 by 2. So then what we get here? 2.109, 2.094, 2.109, 2.094 divided by 2. So it is minus 2.1015. If you observe this one, here I have that minus 2.109 and here what I have minus 2.10, up to 10 is same. Next what I have 15 and of course here we have 15 means up to 3 decimals means 2. So 102 I have and there we have 109. Approximately we can take the value like a 2.1 minus 2.10, but what they mentioned corrected to 3 decimals. So definitely we have to solve the problem until we will get the 3 digits are same. Okay, so now next again we have to go for the next iteration number 7. F of x6 equal to minus 2.102 whole cube plus minus 2.102 whole square minus this one. Okay. So now here what is the value? Directly I am solving this one. 2.102 whole cube minus 9.2874 I have, so I am taking 7 plus 2.102 square 4.418 minus 2.102 plus 7. Now just calculate all the values. Minus 9.287 plus 4.418 minus 2.102 plus 7. Now it is 0.029. Again it is positive. Therefore what we can say? The root lies between. So this is negative and this is positive now. So now minus 2.109 comma minus 2.102. Now what is the value of the x7? Minus 2.109 minus 2.102 by 2. Then what will get? 2.109, 2.102 minus 2.1055. So up to 3 digits means we have to take that 5. Okay, here what I have? 102 and here what I have? 105. Somewhat near but not exact. So that's why again we have to go for the next iteration. So now here next iteration means what we have to take? F of x, next iteration in number is 8. So actually you have to write all this in your notes now. I am not giving this as a homework because I want to discuss this problem totally. That's why I am discussing. Now x8, that means f of x7 is equal to minus 2.105 whole cube plus whole square minus 2.105 plus 7. Okay, so now here again calculate 2.105 whole cube is nothing but minus 9.327. Next plus 2.105 whole square 4.431 minus 2.105 plus 7. Now finally what we get? Minus 9.327 327 plus 4.431 minus 2.105 plus 7. So it is minus 0.001, which is nothing but negative again. So actually in your calc you will get that it is minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 03. The meaning of that one is minus power 03 we have, so that's why 0 point after 0 point we have to take 2 zeros, the next value, okay, 1. Now here therefore what we have to say, it is nothing but again negative value, therefore the root lies between. So now here the root lies between, here we have that it is negative and here it is negative and this is positive now. So negative means we have to ignore that. Minus 2.105 comma minus 2.102. Now x8 equal to divided by 2. So now here 2.105, 2.102, 4. Okay, directly I am solving, divided by 2 minus 2.103. 3, 5 I have, so that's why here I am taking that 4. Now what I have, the previous value is 105 and now we have that 104. Again we have to go for the next iteration. Minus 2.104 whole cube plus minus 2.104 whole square minus 2.104 plus 7. Now 2.104 whole cube. Now it is minus 9.314 plus 2.104 square, that is 4.4268 I have, I am taking 7 minus 2.104 plus 7. Now totally minus 9.314 plus 4.427 minus 2.104 plus 7. Now it is positive only 0.009, which is nothing but positive. Therefore what we can say, the root lies between. Now for this interval we have that the value is, this one is negative and this one is positive. So now here we have that it is a positive. So ignore this value. Okay, then what we get, therefore the root lies between minus 2.105 comma minus 2.104. Now what we have to calculate, x9. Okay, so now x9 equal to minus 2. This one and 2.104 by 2. Calculate this value. 2.105, 2.104. Now it is nothing but minus 2.1045. So I am taking that 4. Okay. So now here yes, we have that the value is nothing but 104. Otherwise here we got that it is nothing but 4, 5 na. So that's why it is nothing but 5. Okay. So now here what you have to do, again you have to go for the next iteration, that is nothing but, here you can solve this one, okay, yes, because here you will get the last iteration. Now iteration number 10. Now f of x9 equal to minus 2.105 whole cube plus minus 2.105 whole square minus 2.105 plus 7. Okay. So now here what we get? 2.105. Already we discussed here. Here I have. Okay, so we will get that the entire value will be same, minus 0.001, which is less than 0. So therefore what we can say? Therefore the root lies between. It is a negative now. So negative means this one. We have to ignore this and again we have to take that minus 2.105 comma minus 2.104. Now x10 equal to minus 2.105 minus 2.104 by 2. Now finally what we get? Same thing. That means minus 2.105. Therefore, finally here both values are same. That means x9 and x10 both are same. Therefore, the root of f of x is minus 2.105. This is nothing but the answer. Okay. So like this you have to get that as it is. Okay. So this is the bisection method application, and in the next class we will discuss some more applications. Okay. I hope it is clear to you, ma, and if you will get any doubts then please ask. Thank you.